Thalam is a traditional Ayurvedic treatment. It comes from the Sanskrit word thalam and means to apply medicine to the head. This medicine consists of leaves and plants, powdered herbs, and medicinal oils. The most important ingredients are the leaves and flowers of the Brahmi and the Kacha plant, the Karapura tree, and the Chandana or sandalwood tree. The leaves and powders of all these plants are mixed together and pounded into paste. The paste is put inside a cloth or piece of cotton. The cloth is placed over the area of the head. It is kept in place with a banana leaf and tightly bound. To calm the imbalances, an oil is made from different properties. The oils are then slowly poured over the head. This is a therapy for the head and the mind. It relaxes the mind, eases stress, and gives relief for headaches. Consciousness, our thoughts, our feelings, and our senses are linked to the brain. Soothing the brain, it relieves tension, alleviates anger and irritation, it lifts depression, and helps you sleep.